Dear students, in this video I am explaining first 15 questions of morning session of 2024 grad. Here, this type of problems we have to solve it with graphs z minus I. First of all, z1 minus z2 means in the complex plane there are 2 points. A represents z1, B represents z2. AB represents distance between Z1 minus Z2 represents distance between A and B. Here Z minus I, Z minus I means I is representing a point 0 plus I, so that is 0, 1, which is a point here. And Z is arbitrary point, right? And Z minus 1 means Z minus 1 plus 0. So 1 comma 0 is here. Z plus I, it is Z minus I, which is Z minus I can write. So here it is minus I in the sense 0 minus I, which is representing a point 0 comma minus 1 in the complex plane. It's quite obvious that you can see the point which is here distances are equal means that point must be 0, 0. From here to here to here, all the distance. So that Z is only the point 0, 0, which is equidistant from all the 3 points. So number of solutions of Z which is it's not 0. It is one solution is there, one point is there which is equidistant from all 3 points. Here 0, 0, here is 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1. It is obviously right angle triangle. So this, if you assume it as ABC, right angle means this BC hypotenuse becomes a diameter. Once these are ends of the diameter, x1, y1, x2, y2 are ends of the diameter, then equation of the circle is well known for you. That is x minus 0 into x minus 1, y minus 0 into y minus 1, 0 is the equation of the circle which passes through these points. So now here is a point, another point 2k comma 3k. These are concyclic means this point lies on it. So 2k into 2k minus 1 plus 3k into 3k minus 1. So 4k square plus 9k square, that is 13k square minus 5k 0, which implies k is 0 or 5 by 30. K0 means same point you get. So other possible answer 5 by 30. Here first of all, P of S, what does it mean? Power set of S. Power set of S definition is all subsets of S. Right. If it contains 10 elements, 2 power 10 subsets are this. All these are elements of this set M. So here how relation is defined, set of all ordered pairs such that A intersection B is empty. That means this condition is satisfied, then this ordered pair will be there in the relation. Right? Condition is this. What are AB means? Here A is an element of M. That means AB are subsets of S. Suppose if I take, it is very obvious, if you take phi is a subset of any set. A if you define it as phi, B if you take it as phi. So you know reflexive relation definition. A is some element, A is there in A. AA must be there in relation. Here A means one element, phi belongs to M, and which implies phi must be there in relation. But when do you say relation, that element is there when intersection is not empty? Phi intersection phi, which is empty, so which is contradicting. That means it cannot be reflexive. So to disprove it, one example is enough. So I took one example here. And whenever A intersection B is not empty, since A intersection B is same as B intersection A, that means it is symmetric. Now, whether it is transitive or not, if I take A as one subset, 1, 2, B as A intersection B will be 2, which is not empty. So that means AB is there in the relation R. If I take C as 5, 6, B intersection C is 5, which is not empty set. So B intersection here element is which is ordered pair, which is belongs to relation. But A intersection C, if you take 1, 2 intersection 5, 6, which is empty, that means AC is not there in relation. So it is not symmetric. So answer is it is not transitive. So it's purely symmetric relation. Here F is defined from n minus 1 to n. F of n is defined as highest prime factor. Suppose f of 3 means, what does it mean? Highest prime factor of 3 is obviously 3. Right? No other factor is there. Factors are there, but prime factors. F of 6 means possible prime factors 2 and 3, highest prime factor. That means for 3, it is 3. For 6 also, it is 3. So more than one element has same image. So it is many to one function. And is it onto means every element must have pre-match. Suppose you take one here, so one must be a prime factor, right? So one has no prime factor. Therefore, what I say here is it is not onto function. So it is many one and into. Not onto means obviously into. So to calculate sum of the coefficients, so suppose here 1 plus x whole square is there, 1 plus 2x plus here coefficients are this. Sum of coefficients means put just x equal to 1, you get 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. Or directly here you put 2 square 4. So sum of coefficients can be calculated. Sum of coefficients in A is simply just substituting 1, you get which is 8 per n. Sum of coefficients in B, substituting 1, you get 2 per n. So A here is 2 cube power n, B here is 2 per n. So A will be B cube. Here A dot B is mod A mod B cos theta. Cos theta here is A dot B by mod A mod. Mod A mod B anyhow positive, right? So cos positive and theta is acute, which implies cos theta must be positive. A dot B must be positive. A dot B here is, which I can write plus 4 minus 8, which alpha minus 2 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square greater than 0. Alpha is less than 2 minus root 2, 2 root 2. Alpha is greater than 2 plus 2 root. He is asking possible least positive integral value of n. It is 2 plus 2.4, 2 into 1.4, 2.8. So positive values 5, 6, 7. So least value is 5. So this integral 0 to 1, whenever roots are there, we just rationalize. After rationalizing, you get this. Half times 0 to 1 root x plus 3 dx minus 0 to 1 root x plus 1 dx. It is x plus 3 whole power half, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, x plus 1 power 3 by 2 by 2 by 3 between 0 to 1. So 1 by 3, 2 get cancelled, 1 by 3, 4 power 3 by 2 minus 3 power 3 by 2, 2 power 3 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 3, it is 2 square, get cancelled, 8 minus 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1, which is 9 by 3 minus 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 3. If you compare this with a plus b root 2 plus c root 3, a here is 3. Here 2a plus 3b plus c will be 6 minus 2 minus 1, which is 3. In this, if you observe here, so there is first common term is 9. Maybe this is 1 AP, some term of this AP, some term of this AP will coincide. So I will start with 9 instead of 4, 3. There is an advantage, simplification. So mth term of AP, if I start with this, later I will take m plus 1th term if we count it from 4. So 9 plus m minus 1 into 5. So nth term of AP will be 9 plus n minus 1 into 6. They coincide is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So here I can write n minus 1, m minus 1 as n minus 1 into 6 by 5. Or n minus 1 as m minus 1 into 5 by 6. Suppose if here it should be an integer. If I take m as 7 minus 1, that is n becomes 5. That means, sorry, it is m as 7, 6, 5, n will be 6. T7, but I started with second. 8th term of first series will coincide with the 7th term of second series. Again, 6 multiple. So 6 to 12, I will take m as 13. N will be 10, 11, that is you get. That means 14th term of this, 12th term of second series coincide. Here it is 6, 3 is 18. That is, I will take one excess, 19. So n will be 15 plus 1, 16. That means 20th term of this is coinciding with 17th term of second series. If I take m as 24, right? 25. Then 4 into 5, 20. N will be 21. So that means 26th term of here series will coincide with, because I counted from this, 25 minus 1, right? Coincide with 22nd term of this. So here it exceeds number of common terms including 9. This 26th here you have only 25 terms. So number of common terms will be 4. Here the same series you write it as, here it is 3 plus 3p plus 4 square like this. You subtract other one from other. 3 plus, if you subtract this, p by 4, p by 4 square, so on. So you multiply with 4 and then subtract 3 by 4. Again, here 3 plus p by 4 square, like that. Here it is 8 minus 2, which is 3 plus p by 4, so on. 6 minus 3 equal to p by 4, 1 plus 1 by 4, infinite geometric series. We get 3 is equal to p by 4 s infinity a by 1 minus r. Here p value is 9. Here what we have to calculate is a dot b minus a dot c. A dot c is already given. A dot b, just dot product. 3 times 1 minus 2 plus 1, which is 0. So this is a dot c cross b. I can write it as acb minus 3, which is also can be written as a cross c dot b minus 3. So a cross c, he given it as b bar, mod b bar square minus 3. Mod b bar square is 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 9 into 3, 27 minus 3, 24. Here you have one line is given and two other lines, L1 and L2, a trisect. Trisect in the sense either 1:2 ratio or 2:1 ratio. So it is L1, it is L2. It is here put y0, you get 5 comma 0, put x0, then 0 comma. This point is dividing in the ratio 1:2. P coordinates will be, by using section formula, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 4. So 10 by 3 comma 4 by 3. So this is here Q divides in the ratio 2:1. So then Q coordinates 1 into 5 plus 0 by 3, 1 into 0 plus 2 into 4, 8 by 3, 5 by 3 comma 8 by 3. After knowing P coordinates, OP slope is 4 by 10, which is 4 by 3 minus 0 by, this is M1. OQ slope will be, here Q coordinates 5 by 3 comma 8 by 3. 8 by 3 minus 0 by 5 by 3, 8 by. So theta is what we have to find out. This is M2. M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M2 M1. 6 by 5 by 1 plus 8 into 2, 16 by 25. 25 by 41. We get 30 by 41. Here he told it is continuous at x equal to 3. So left limit must be equal to right limit. First let us calculate 3 plus. X 3 plus means x slightly greater than 3. For general x, there is no change. For step x, large changes will be there. Sine of x minus 3 by this for 3 plus step x is 3, 2 power. So as x approaches 3, it is sin x by x format. It is approaching 1. So for left limit, 3 minus f of x. 3 minus f of x means minus a by b, x square minus 7x plus 12 by, where it is, modulus is there, x minus 3, x minus 4 I write. So x is slightly less than 3, 2.9. If you take 2.9 minus 3 negative, it is also negative. Product will be positive. So you can straight away write as it is because inside the modulus is positive a by b. And f of 3 here is b. So since it is continuous, left limit functional value are equal to, that is 2. Once b is 2, so here from this, a is minus b square, b is 2, a will be minus 4. He is asking number of ordered pairs. We have only one ordered pair. Answer is numerical. Here f dash 1, you take it as a, f double dash 2 is a constant. F triple dash 3, take it as c. F of x will be x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. So f dash x, if you consider 3x square plus 2ax plus b, f double dash x 6x plus 2a, f triple dash x will be 6. So he is asking f dash 10. Here f double dash x is triple dash x given, f triple dash 3 is 6. That is c here is 6. F double dash 2, 12 plus 2a, which is b. 2a minus b is minus 12. F dash 1, 3 plus 2a plus b, which is a. So a plus b is minus 3. Adding 3a is minus 15. So b will be 2. So then f dash x will be 2a here is minus 10x plus 2. He is asking f dash 10, 300 minus 30, 10 into 10, 100 plus 2, 202. Here, probability of getting 6 in the xth trial. What does it mean? X equal to 3 means he made already 2 attempts. In first 2 attempts, he will not get a 6. Once you throw a die, getting a 6 is 1 by 6. Not getting 6 will be 5 by 6. In first attempt, he didn't get 6. Second attempt also he didn't get. In third attempt, he got 6. So probability of getting 6 in the third attempt is 5 by 6 whole square into 1 by 6, which is A for us. B is probability of This is, what does it mean? First time he get 3 in third attempt. First time he'll get 6 in fourth attempt, like this. This is what does it mean. It is 5 by 6 whole square 1 by 6. In first 3 attempts he didn't get 6. Fourth attempt he got 6. It is an infinite geometric series. If you take 1 plus 5 by 6 so on. So here it is 5 by 6 whole square into 1 by 6. A by 1 minus r. So this is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 get cancelled. Here you'll have a 5 by 6 whole square, which is B he defined. C is conditional probability. P of A given B will be P of A intersection B by P of B. So that is P of X greater than 6 intersection X greater than 3. There is no part. X greater than 3 is obviously same as X greater than or equal to 4. Here X greater than or equal to 4. So more than 4, more than 6. Common part is 6. P of X greater than or equal to 6 by P of X greater than or equal to 4. So as usual, how I did earlier, X greater than or equal to 6 means 6 plus P of X equal to 7, right? P of X equal to 8, so on. That means till 5 attempts, he didn't get a 6. In 6th attempt, he got a 6. 5 by 6, till 6th attempts, he didn't get 6. So if you take 5 by 6 whole power 1 by 5, 5 into 1 by 6 common, this is same thing. Here earlier simplified. This get cancelled, we will get. In the denominator, P of X greater than or equal to 4. So it start with X equal to 4, X equal to 5, so on. Here you simplify like earlier, you get 5 by 6 whole cube. Here 6, here it start with 4, only 2 difference. So then he is asking finally B plus C by A. So C is 5 by 6 whole power 5 by this. B will be 5 by 6 whole power how much whole square? C also same thing. Division of these two by A value is how much? 5 by 6 whole square into 1 by 6. 2 times 5 by 6 whole square into 6 by get cancel, we get 12. Here we don't know limits, but AB is orthocenter. For finding orthocenter, here ABC, it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. For finding perpendicular bisector, we have a formula x into x3 minus x2, y into y3 minus y2 in place of x and y. That x1 into x3 minus x2 plus y3 into, that is y1 into y3 minus y2. This is altitude equation because orthocenter is asking. Now here points in place of x2, y2, you have 2, 3, 3, 1. Here you have 1, 2. X into difference of x coordinates 3 minus 2. Y into This in place of xy third vertex 1 minus 4, that is x minus 2y is minus 3. Similarly, if you take AB related altitude, so here difference of x coordinates 2 minus 1, here y into 3 minus 2, which is 1, which is equal to, just replace xy with 3 comma 1, 3 plus 1, which is 4. So here orthocenter lies on these two. So a minus 2b is minus 3, a plus b is 4. So let us take this because we have a related formula a to b fx dx is a to b f of a plus b minus x. So since I know a plus b value, I can write here 4 minus x. So I1, I will write a to b x sine of 4x minus x square dx, which I can write a to b sine of minus of x square minus 4x just x into 4 minus x I will write. After that I will use this formula a to b 4 minus x sine of 4 minus x 4 minus 4 minus x times a to b sine of 4 minus x get cancelled into x dx. So adding these two integrals, right, you get 2 because I1 and I, so this is I1, which is I1 is same as, so I1 I got it as a to b 4 minus x sine of 4x minus x square dx. So adding these two, we get a to b x plus 4 minus x sine of 4x minus x square dx, which is 4 times a to b sine of 4x minus x square dx. This he defined it as I2. So then I1 will be 2I2. The question here is 36 I1 by how much? 36 I1 by I2. So this is 72 I2 by I2. We get 72.